God dang it, I feel so bored as hell.
Hey Dad, I was just wondering if I could cause some trouble today.
You know what? Okay, you can go do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Goodness Lord, I am so dumb.
Wow, my father is that stupid, I must say. But since I am outside, I need to think of something to do. Wow, I have a good idea. I will just go to the market and see what is in store. Hey there, what do you have valuable?
I have fireworks. Do you want to buy them?
Sure sir, give me the fireworks. Thank you so much, Caillou, or whoever they call you.
You're welcome, little kid.
Wow, just like that. I just got fireworks just like that. Okay, let me go to the back of the house. Wow, this fireworks look nice. Okay, without further ado, let me light up this fireworks. Dad, can you please help me put out the fire?
Caillou, how dare you just start out a fire with fireworks? That's it. You're grounded for 5.5 million years. Go to your poopy room right now or else I will punish you so much.
What?